सो आशिता कुछ अपने कस्टमर्स के एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में बताइए।
We were working for this corporate ad film for a school, and we had created a complete set for this particular shot, and we were like about to shoot in that area, but the director was about to leave the school, and we wanted to capture the bite of the director. So the school officials were like, नहीं नहीं मैम आपकी बाद में करना, पहले आप सर का बाइट ले लो because सर चले जाएंगे. And I was like, I'll have to carry the whole lighting setup and everything. बोले नहीं मैम आप पहले वो ले लो. तो I was like क्या करें, and I said come on chuck it, we'll just carry the lights. And this I'm talking in say 2012. So at that time the lights were bulkier. Those were big lights that we used to carry and all. And we had created the scene. So I told the guy there कि भैया मैं लाइट्स लेके जा रही हूँ, बट आप ये पूरा सेटअप जो है उसको हिलाना मत, बिकॉज आई हैव लाइक मार्क्ड ऑल द पोजिशंस
पोजीशंस
एंड
एंड ऑल
उनका
या।
चेयर्स ऐसा है, कैमरा यहाँ रहेगा. सो जब मैं वो बाइक लेके आऊंगी आई जस्ट हैव टू फिक्स द लाइट्स एंड द कैमरा एंगल एंड शूट इट. बिकॉज हमने क्या किया था, पूरी क्लासरूम जो अंदर थी ना, हमने वो क्लासरूम नर्सरी किड्स की थी, नर्सरी किड्स, उनका पूरा क्लासरूम हमने बाहर आउटडोर में सेट किया था. विद ना सैंड डाला, ट्रीज प्लांट्स वगैरह डाले, टॉयज उनका. वी हैड मेड अ क्वाइट अ फैंसी टू. So he said okay. So वहाँ पर जो था उनका स्टाफ, उनको मैं बोल के चली गई. So the whole crew went up. We took the director's bite. बहुत अच्छे से आया वो bite and all. Everything was well. फिर हम अपना लाइट्स कैमरा लेके जब नीचे आए, the whole setup was gone.
व्हाट?
क्योंकि स्टाफ, मे बी वो स्टाफ को समझा नहीं और या वो चेंज हो गया. उसने पूरे चेयर्स प्लांट सब कुछ, यानी हमने जो पूरा सेटअप किया था जिसके लिए हमको 3 hours लगे थे ऑलमोस्ट, उसने वो पूरा हटा दिया. एंड आई जस्ट लॉस्ट माई माइंड एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट. लाइट्स जा रही थी, द सन वाज सेटिंग, यानी शाम हो रही थी. सो वी हैव टू कीप दैट आल्सो इन माइंड
या।
कि ओके अब सनसेट हो रहा है, मैं कैसे करूँ, आई हैव टू टेक अ शॉट. क्योंकि अगर सन सेट हो रहा है तो आई हैव टू increase the lighting. I'll have to call for more lights because मैं डे का शॉट दिखा रही थी और अगर सनसेट में दिखाऊंगी तो it wouldn't look.
या।
So I had to call for more lights and I was like really upset. But the people they were like, इतना क्या हो गया? Why is she getting so upset? And I was like, dude, you don't understand. The sun is set. I'll have to come tomorrow. The 1 day shoot cost has been increased. And then the client will have to pay a day's shoot extra because it's not my fault. I told your staff. So that was a very chaotic moment. The client was upset with me. The client was like, "यार ऐसा ऐसा नहीं होता है." So I can't do it. Anything is now the sun is set. I can't take this shot. So that was one experience. I feel I learned that okay, ये वाली चीज client को अगर आप पहले बता देते किसी, अगर ऐसा होगा तो you'll have to pay extra.
या।
So you थोड़ा keep in mind that your staff does not do things. When I am on set, they need to understand that whatever I am saying, they'll have to listen. Otherwise, your film will not be good. So this is the one lesson I learned very early when we started Coffee Bean Studio, that everything you do, you should actually tell the client beforehand. Tell them about the uncertainties that might happen. So that is one thing that a client experience. But I've had a lot of very good experiences as well. The a little unfortunate ones like these are very few to be if you compare. I've got clients who just come and told me, Ashita, just make a film that you feel would help us, and whatever you say, we'll do. And that's what we did. And the films came out brilliant. So it's a mixture of experiences.